but gathered there from the fullback. Woohoo! Gaan slap my mat eet gras. What a hit. Paul Pelgrim. That was an amazing piece of play there from Roots Gymnasium. Testing the defensive line of Perel Boys. Scrum now. Perel Boys. And now they're putting up the center unit. He gains lovely meters there, putting them on front foot ball. Ball goes out, skip pass. It's on in the space. Hit there is put. Kicks it through. Will he go all the way? Oh, cover. Beautifully covered there. It will be a 22 dropout. Die manne het lus om te speel. .22 dropout. Nobody wants the ball, it looks like it. Another scrum, unfortunately, a knock on there. Yeah, let's get it right. This time, says the referee. The bind must be right. You're just sorting out the bind a bit. Let's kyk wat gaan hier gebeur met hierdie scrum. Big scrum, steady ball comes out. Inside channel. Hulle ruk en pluk hom, soos hulle die drywe pluk. Ball is still available for Perel Boys. Penalty. Hy klou aan hy bal. Soos 'n X wat nie wil staan is verby nie. Is this out? No. Hy's 'n linkerpoot. And he's looking. Hey, Kusi offload in the space. Woo! Near my mat. Ball goes out wide to the left channel. There's space. He juggles it like a clown juggling at the circus and loses it. It's another scrum. Laat ons kyk wie se reverse ligte gaan aangesit word hier in die scrum. Oh, sorry, it's a line out. Let's kyk. Will it be the middle this time? Yes, it is. Ball comes out for Namibia Roots, putting up the channel again in the middle. This man is unstoppable. The Namibia Express. But yeah. Penalty now for Roots Gymnasium. Punch it downfield. Righto, let's put up another line out. And let's see where they're going to select, which channel they're going to select in the line out. Line out now. Loose ball, but gathered there by the unit himself. Let's see. Namibia has the opportunity. Big ball carrier. He gets stopped there. Ball comes out for Namibia. Shifted out nicely there. Unfortunately. Not keeping his body weight with a clean out. Falls over the ruck and it's a penalty now for Pero boys. The score remains 0-0. Roots Gymnasium, Namibia versus Paul Boys. Yeah, in George with the Southern Cape Sports Tours Tournament, a rugby festival op die ou Taniqua Park. I can't say that in English. It's better if it sounds, when it comes out in Afrikaans. The unit is looking. Who is he going to select in the line-out? They go far to the back. Well executed line-out. And a mole is another driving more. Well defended there. But the second shove comes in. And no move hulle. Soos 'n grocery trolley wat volgelei is. And they're moving. They're going. Is that more stop? No. Yes, it looks like it. Yo, hy gooi hom soos 'n waslappie. And the ball comes out. Inside channel. Ooh, what a clean out. Gaat sit en kyk TV, my maat. Ball is still available for Paul Boys. Comes out nicely there. Set piece after set piece. Play after play. Scrum off is digging. He's looking for his options. Up inside they go. Ball is coming about a bit slower. But penalty! Not rolling away. Yeah, this is going to be an interesting game. 13 minutes into this game. Nobody has scored yet. Who will be victorious in this match? Who will it be? Let us know in the comment section. Let us know, who do you think will take this game here? Early morning hours on a Monday morning. Kicks it downfield. And it is a line out this time. In the commentary box, I have McNeil Grant here with me. Fantastic commentator. McNeil, any thoughts on this match here today?
Ja, gewoon eerstens hartelijk goedemorgen aan de mensen van George, Westkaap, Zuid-Afrika, Namibia, die hele wereld, tot in Turkije. Rechtstreeks hier vanaf die oude Taniqua Park van die Southern Cape Sports Tours. Daar nog een foutje begaan wordt, ongedwongen fout, maar fantastische wedstrijd om die dag af te skop. Zijn uit naar een belovende dag van rugby. Bal in hand. Wanneer die twee spannen lijkt lus voor die ding nog veel om te komen. 6 wedstrijden voor die dag. En hier is maar net die eerste een van vele. Interessant om te zien dat Paul Boys scrum werd net buiten die kwartgebied van Rhodes Gymnasium. Kom die bal uit. Gaan hy die beweging met die agterlyn en dan word daar gesien as 'n gaping. Woer uitgegooi, maar vinnig weer opgetel. Deur die skrimskakel, die Ratsman van Goutini. Voorspelers wat dan nou die bal besit geniet. En die een is opgetel en is weer jou monster van 'n speler. Rowan, hierdie man aan hierdie 13 tree. Nee, het lyk na die vleuel. Hy het vinnig opgetel. Bal is binne gehou. Die boys, En is vlees teen vlees, been teen been en yster teen yster en weer word hy. Hierdie keer vinnige tik en speel en dan. Maar die skeieregter sê ja. Stadig maat, stadig. Lyk daarna. Die man in die 11-3. Morin, Skumpata. Hierdie keer word die veiligheid van die kantlyn gevind. Gaan 'n geleentheid wees wat Zayden Mostert om te kan gooi. Gaan hy sy springe vind. Kom die bal af. Vanaf die aan en nou is die agterlyn, maar hy is op die voet gesit deur die loskakel. Krieger is Duan Krieger, hy skop tot aan die hande. Skop tot aan die hande van Aiden Holm wat weer terug sit op die voet, maar nou word daar weer aangeval deur Gymnasium. Rhodes Gymnasium. Wat net luslik om die bal bietjie lig te gee. Maar hy word oor die kantlyn geboender. Goed in die lyn staan die boys. Rolmaal beweging aan die hande van Tian. En steeds word daar gestap binne die kwartgebied. Oor die voordelyn kom hulle gemaklik. Is daar die van die kant af ingekom. Maar steeds is dit die manne wat beweeg. En dan sê die skeieregter. Obstruksie. En hulle verloor al hierdie jare weer. Geen vrugte is daar. Net 'n stank vir dank.
Ons kyk daar. Ja, McNeil. What is working perfectly at the moment for Pero boys, that front football from the scrums, from the lineouts, that driving more that they are using, it's working at the moment for them. It's just a matter of getting that link-up play, you know, those 50-50 passes, those short crash ball passes, and getting the ball as quick as possible out wide, and that is where they're going to capitalize on this match. But let's see. But well done to the defense of Rhodes Gymnasium as well. And he's still going. It's the big center from Rhodes Gymnasium. This man is a monster. Liam Kita. But well done there from Pero boys. Now have an opportunity. Goes out wide, shifts it out wide. He gets the gap over the 22-meter line. The scrum off, digging for the ball, waiting for his option. But what a tackle! Hy word in die helfte gesny. And now it's the little man giving the ball from the base of the ruck. The general from the ruck. Hy soek die bal. Hy wil die bal laat uitkom. And there's the monster taking a ball for Beryl Boys. The unit. Woo! Beauty. Unfortunately was just offside. And there's a penalty advantage now for Beryl Boys. Scrum off. Digging. He's looking for his spot system. His piston. Laat die pistons werk in die engine. Still opportunity now. They're getting lovely front football. They're moving momentum on. Ooh! Ball was loose and gathered there nicely by the winger. Unfortunately, the referee says, let's come back to that penalty. What an interesting call there, McNeil. That was an interesting call from the referee. There's already penalty advantage, but he goes back. The try has been scored by the winger, but he goes back for the penalty. That was an interesting one. But he probably has his reasons. We sitting here from afar and he's on the field. He can see what is happening on the floor. But yeah, let's see what happens from this line out. It's an opportunity for Paul Boys now to set up the driving mode that has been working perfectly for them. And it's now, will it be a try? They're moving. And it's a try. The first 5 points, 21 minutes in this match. First 5 points off the board. Rugby op sy beste. Here in the Southern Cape Sports Tours Rugby Festival in George Outeniqua Park. Your boy, Rowan Bowers, all the way from Cape Town. He's excited to be here with McNeil Grant, all the way from Caledon. We are live and direct in George. Nissan Holding Sports TV. For those that have tuned in, thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to be part of our community, because this is what we do. We look for talent and we showcase talent. That's our motto. And he punts that. It's looking good. And it's over. 7 points, and that will be the halftime. What a way to end the first half for these teams. Paul Boys in the lead by 7 points. Stay tuned for the second half.
Paul Boys teen Rhodes Gymnasium. Onder 19 wedstryde hier op Outeniqua Park, soos op geen ander plek. Southern Cape Sports Tours. Net so kan jy draad tussen die skeieregter en 'n paar van die spelers voor ons afskop by die tweede helfte van die eerste wedstryd van 6 vir hierdie dag. Dinge gaan nog behoorlik neek in hierdie dag. Outeniqua Park, die huis van nog groot rugby hierdie week. Baie wat gaan afkom. Ek glo strakkies Rowan, hierdie veld sal nooit weer dieselfde wees na hierdie week. Maar as ons so na weg Rowan Bouwers, diepgang die Boys, hi. En as hy onder beheer gekry, nee. Maar goed gedoen van die afskop om hom te kry. En dadelijk is hulle weer op die aanval, maar wat 'n monster van 'n duikslag. As dit vanaf die binnensenter. Leon Cutter. Maar steeds is dit Boys High wat op die aanval is. Probeer meter vir meter, stadig maar seker. Binne die kwartgebied kom. Kom die bal deur aan. Gaan ons die agterlyn sien aan die werk. Spasie met 'n werk, maar bal word opgeneem. Kom hy weer los uit. Azarian, ja. Eerste man op sy voete daar. By die afbreekpunt en die checklay is arrived. En Gymnasium ontsnap weer. Nog 'n aanvalsgolf vanaf Boys High.
Yeah, no, definitely, Grant. It has been great rugby out here thus far. Defensively, Roots Gymnasium, they are doing very well. That first man at the ruck, stealing the ball, tackling as quick as he can. And it looks like it's the whole team that has that ability. And usually nowadays, people, not everybody in the team goes for that jackal. And that is where they still staying in the fight from Roots Gymnasium. Fantastic work right on defense there from them. But yeah, let's see what is going to happen from this line out. Jaden with ball in hand. He selects his lock forward. Ball comes out now for the big man in front. The Express. The Namibian Express. Operi. Woo! Hy word geflik soos 'n snoek. And now it's this man. He looks dangerous. He's beating one. Is he going to get in space? There is Jaden, the fullback. Bukas. Hy is warm. Box kick. Just on the side of the boot there from the scrum of Dan Drey. Unfortunately, that is not what he wanted, but the thinking was there.
Ja, definitief Rowan het die spasie gesien aan die agterkant. Die execution daarvan net nie wat hy wou gehad het, die ongedwonge fout sal ons sê daar. En hy gee feitelik die bal in 'n baie gunstige posisie vir Boys High. En hulle gaan hierdie gevaarlike dryfmaal opsit. Ja. Oh. Ja, hierdie reël is eenvoudig Rowan. Hierdie opset van die mol en as die bal beweeg, die oppositie het die reg om terug te staan. Maar jy as attacker, jy kan aangaan met daardie dryfmaal solank as wat die bal nie agtertoe geskuif word nie, kan jy gaan sodra die bal skuif na die spelers aan die agterkant, dan word dit obstruksie indien die defending team nie commit aan die dryfmaal. Interessant hoe die nuwe stel reëls opgeset word. Maar dit is een van die goedjies wat rugby interessant maak.
No, definitely the rules, technique, all those technicalities in the game. That is what makes rugby very fantastic because you need to think on the go. It's not only just physical. You need to think. You need to look at all these outsmart your opponent. Oh, he gets it. He gets the space. Ah, he didn't look where he was passing. Passed like a blind man. But the ball is now available. Pero Boys has the opportunity to half gap. They're in the midfield. And a penalty. Again the first man.
Ja, een ding wat verseker is in hierdie wedstryd, as Gimnasium is dodelik by die afbreekpunte. Die meeste van die strafskoppe wat hulle gewen het vanoggend, as by die afbreekpunte. En nou gaan hulle vir die 3 punte. Hulle voel natuurlijk dat as hoe hulle in hierdie wedstryd gaan bly, en dit is natuurlijk een van die maniere hoe hulle om kan wen ook. Kicking team wat net bietjie lang vat om op die veld te kom. Maar die bal wat wel gestel is, deur die loskakel Duan Krieger. Kom hy nader met die regtervoet, dit lyk goed. Vlag gaan op. En hy teken die eerste punte vir sy span aan. Binne hierdie tweede helfte. Woppa speeltyd nog oor in hierdie eerste helfte.
Ja, restarted now. Ooh, that is knocked back, picked up by the inside center. Ball comes out. Just slipped out the scrum half's hand there. It's still available now. It's Perry. Opri. Ball still available. Kicks it downfield and lovely box kick. Covered nicely, and let's see what he's going to do. A chip kick. He sees the space. Is the bounce favorable? Yes, it is. Still going. Oh! Hy word soos 'n sakkie sement opgetel. Ball is in the midfield, a big prop forward, takes it up and he loses the ball in contact. Pick up and go. Scrum off fighting, they're staying in the fight. Still available now. Ooh! Near my mat. Hier is 'n concrete muur wat jy teen aan hardloop. Goes out wide, skips one, skips two. Just when this man has the ball, the referee blows. This man is exciting. Jaden Bucas for Roots Gymnasium, Namibia. Southern. It is the Southern Cape Sports Tour Rugby Festival. 30 minutes aside here in George. It is a 30 minutes of war, a battleground on the Outeniqua Park. A rugby festival that is outstanding for these youngsters. And now, Pero Boys have the opportunity. Looks like it's going to be a crash ball in the midfield. Unfortunately, there was an obstruction between the center pair, Levi and Dieter. Sorry, it is Dieter. Inside center, Dieter and Levi. The outside center for Pero Boys. Time off. Just having someone is just getting medical attention there for Namibia. And there's the replacement coming on. It looks like Dino that comes on there for the 8th man for Namibia, Jandre Burger. And now scrum voor Roots. Wow, hy man word opgetel soos 'n vraagteken. Word gebuig
Ja,
in die scrims.
dit is definitief een van die plekke waar boys hy goed is en uitstekend gevaar het. En dit is hoekom hulle ook kies om lyn toe te gaan en die rolmaal op te sit. Hulle het die voorvoet in die scrims. Die voorry waar hulle opponente vou soos kamstoele. En sê dit is Easter, so kom ons gaan hengel bietjie, ons sit in die kant. En jy hang in die lug, boete.
Yeah, McNeil, we had this conversation on our way on the drive home. If your forward pack is doing the work very well, then it's easier for the backline players. And if all those set pieces are right, then it makes the game so much easier. And that is what is currently working for Pero boys at the moment. Great work.
Precies. Maar wat ons wel nie kan wegvat van die agterlyn van gimnasium nie, as hulle balle aan kry, of dit voorvoetbal is, of op die agtervoet, hulle is explosive en hulle maak van absoluut niks, maak hulle iets. Dodelike span, dodelike agterlyn, wie uit hierdie gebied van die veld die jetsoes kan aansit, die gaskanne kan oopdraai, die kookbottels, gas en die spoedwys.
Nie 'n Coke Zero nie, maar die original.
En even al drink jy nie Cokie, ons het Sprite ook vir jou.
En ginger beer.
Jou flavors,
Stony.
jou soorte. Kies en keur. Maar spoed is wat jy wel sal sien.
Maar ons kyk wat gaan met hierdie scrum gebeur. There is a defensive scrum for Pero boys, but it can turn into an attacking scrum. And let's see what the replacement props can do in this game for Roots Gymnasium. That big unit over there, Johannes Stein. And ball comes out. Oh, they lost that scrum. And now there's an opportunity. Pero boys. Ball still available. They're playing the same side. Knock on. That was a close one. But hey, that hooker is doing his work there. That replacement hooker there for Pero Gymnasium. For Pero boys, sorry. He's doing great work there. Stole that line. Stole the scrum early on. Putting Paul Roos, Paul boys in a favorable position. And they're playing it from there. But let's see. Will he win it again this time?
Sekerlik sal hulle wil kyk om dit te doen, Rowan. Die voorspelers van boys, hy wat natuurlijk hulle lippe sal lek, maar hierin verloor en dan word hy op die veiligheid van die voet gesit. Kantlyn word nie gevind nie. Sa druk van die verdediging af, goed geklop aan die buitekant en tweede man koop hy so 3 hektar grond mee. Nou sa spasie, bal in spasie geskop, vinnig teruggeval. Goed gedoen. Iemand sal moet kalm bly in die kant van Gymnasium. Iemand sal die goeie clearance kick moet gee. Wie word hy op die voet gesit? Wie word die kantlyn nie gevind? Spasie vir boys hy om te werk. Binne toe gespeel. Word daar rond gedans met die verdediging. Wow! En hy loop hom vas in 'n betonmuur.
Yeah, and now, Pero boys, the big unit coming in there, pounding the defensive wall of Namibia. Pero boys, fly off playing his piston in the middle. Still available. There's an opportunity out wide. In the space. Oh, what a tackle. Near. Dis nie jou kans nie. Dis myne. Ek eet jou.
Gewoon, ek het nog nooit gesien 'n man word so hard getackle dat hy die bal vir die vlagman pas nie. Dit is een van die beste tackles wat ek nog ooit in my lewe gesien het. As jy hulp gaan soek by die vlagman, en net sê oom help bietjie, as hag die binne. En ongelukkig weer aangeslaan. Baie hanteringsfoute vanaf Boys High. Maar dan wanneer het kom skriptyd, dan lek hulle natuurlik lippe soos hyenas. Want wat joune is nou myne. Jy het dit gewen. Jy verdien dit. Maar ek gaan dit steel.
Ja nee, dis wat hulle baie goed doen in hierdie scrims. And they have that opportunity. They are just deadly like that. They are sly like that. Roubies, Rubane in die scrims. Nou eens kyk.
Ja. Natuurlijk sê hulle, aangesien daar baie gechop word, net voor die scrims, van gymnasium, sit so lang jou reverse ligte aan. Because you're going backwards. En nou weer die ratsman. Hy sê kat, is daar een laat. Maar is 'n goeie skop. Druk geplaas. Skeieregter sê hy's agtertoe. Maar Boys High onder baie druk. En hulle kry die strafskop. Vinnige tik en speel.
Hy word geklou. And now Namibia. What a beautiful run in that defensive line there. But he just seeing stripe after stripe. And easy Ratsman, he beats one almost through. Ball still available for Namibia. Comes out, cross kick. But no, kicks it into his opposition's end. Kicks it downfield. Chases on. Yeah.
Ja, en nou word daar so 'n bietjie sokker gespeel. Voetie.
Hy weet nie waar hy is nie. 'n Woerwy.
Ja, maar wat 'n interessante stukkie spel van beide spanne.
And line out now. Not greatly executed there from Namibia. But now they... Ja, hulle wil mekaar aanvat daar ook aan. A face-off. No, this is not UFC, sir. This is the Southern Cape Sports Tours Rugby Festival.
Ja. Jy het verkeerde kaartjie gekoop as jy dink dis WWE. Langsan oor die pad. Skeieregter wat die manne net attent maak langsan.
Die is hier die octagon, die is die vierhoeke.
Rowan
Wow.
Powers.
Wow.
Shot.
Wow.
This is 55, 56, 57 meters on the angle. Shot.
Yeah. The nuclear powers need to kick in.
This might be 60 meters.
The blood needs to be pumping through those quads, those hammies and those glutes.
Ek dink namens hom as baie in hierdie stadium Outeniqua Park so nervous soos 'n ou wat vra om te trou. Baie kort rigting, distance, nie een van die twee nie en hy word teruggejaag. Oh, niemand wil hom hê nie, maar Gima kom hy weer met die aanval. Dwars oor die veld geskop. Goed gedoen. Oh, Fatsu hang daar in die lug, Boeta. Die bal wat hier die mandjies gaan.
Bob, I see you later. Hou my man van agteraf dop. That is the old school move.
Manne wat, ja, gewoon dans met mekaar. Heel wat.
Strictly come dancing.
Ja, heel wat 'n paar wat de ratses. Ons het 'n kat op 'n warm plaat, 'n hoender en 'n duiwelhok. En elkeen wat uitgekom het nou in die Koppark, kry waarde vir hulle geld. En hierdie eerste wedstryd van die dag. Groot skram vanaf Gimnasium, maar die bal word veld afgejaag. Onder baie groot druk. Oh! Ooh! The clash of two titans.
Nee meneer, ek eet my pap. Iwazi pap. Ek maak hom lekker styf, so stywe pap. Met 'n bietjie botter in. Ek gaan jou wys. Ek is hy ou. Oh Perry, what a massive hit. Waiting is not all day that someone can take on that hit, eh? Let's key. Laat ons kyk. The scrum cap magician. Shining on this field, shine bright like a diamond. Overthrow. En daar gaat hy. Ball comes out. Distributed nicely. Of Perry in the midfield. He's been a handful. Hard to bring down. Jaden Bukas. There's a lot of work to do. But driven there. Is so lig soos 'n veer, meneer. That is what the defensive line is saying from Paul Boys.
Afrigter van Gimnasium wat nou al feitelik op die halflyn staan en sê vat hom. Byna deel van die speel. Dink as hy binne die veld kom, gaan die skeieregter hom tackle. Maar die lyn staan wat behoort en afgeneem. Die Gimnasium, nou gaan hierdie gevaarlike agterlyn weer aan die gang kom. Skeieregter sê daarin is gevaarlik. Vir my het hy so 'n bietjie van 'n dip gevat, hy het sy kop gesak. En ja. Weer word daar gekies die 3 punte. Gimnasium wat duidelik sien dat met bal in hand kan hulle iets doen, maar hulle kom net nie in die regte area en in die regte posisie om punte aan te teken of om 'n 3 te druk. In hierdie geval nie so. Hulle gaan vir die 3 punte. Linkerpoot. Vlag gaan op. 7-6. 1 punt wedstrijd.
A 1-point wonder. Let's see. With 6 minutes left to play in this match, who will stand victorious? En daar kom die DJ nou deur hier op Outeniqua Park.
Ja, Daarin is natuurlijk voor die speler waar hij gevaarlijke tegenslag uitgevoerd het. Sê vir hom iets toe to apologize. Jy het reeds punt afgestaan, maar goed geneem hierdie keer in die lug. Die boys high. Security afskop. Dan word daar gebruik gemaakt van die groot voorspelers. Ja, afgeneem. En nou sa spasie gebroken speel. Oeh. Geloop met die skouer. Ja, skeieregter spot on met daarin. Geen arms.
Oh, Perry! He doesn't have muscle. He has speed as well. It's giving Vin Diesel car type. Daar is die bal. Slow ball this time. Was that the right option to slow down the game if you are on forward momentum? Are they going to take a quick tap? I think go to Pauls. It's been working for you.
Ja, met daarin kan julle die 2 punt voorsprong maak. Ek dink daar's iets soos 5 minute speeltyd in hierdie wedstryd voor hy iets van die verlede is.
And this time I'm not going to apologize. This time I'm doing it with a smile. Baby, don't hurt me. And it's over. 9 points to 7.
Ja, dat is natuurlijk waarvoor hier is hier Joshua op die veld gestuur is deur sy afrigter. Hy tref hom met die linkervoet en onmiddellik draai hy om.
And started now by Pero Boys. And got possession of that ball. 50-50 pass, but ball is still in there. Possession. Woo! Watch me run you over. Big man taking up ball, the unit himself. Has no mated. Ball comes behind the forwards. Ball goes that way almost. And it's still available. Woo! Handbrakes was a bit up there for a moment. And it's a penalty for Boys. Interesting. But I think that's the right decision. The mole has been working for them. Ons kyk. Will they add on the 2 points? The 5 points, sorry. With this driving maul. And it's all about character that Namibia need to show in defense. Defending this maul. Maul is set up. And there's momentum. Slowly but surely they're moving. Scrum off. He's busy eating his forwards. Werk, manne, werk. Load. And it's over. This time I'm not apologizing. And that's 12 points to 9.
Ja, hierdie doelskop sal suksesvol moet wees om te verhoed dat nog 'n strafskop vanaf Gimnasium dat wel weer gelyk opmaak. Naalbyt van 'n wedstryd. Baie vroeg. Skop is suksesvol tussen die pale deur. Wat beteken Gimnasium sal 2 keer moet punte aanteken. In hierdie geval wat dit net strafskoppe is wat vir hulle werk. Nog geen 3. Geen een van hulle het nog die wat kalk geproe. Wat jou nie lig op laat spring nie. Diep geskop hierdie keer. Goed gevat. En het lyk asof Boys hy nuwe momentum en nuwe woema in hulle wiele het. En nou kom hulle met die aanval. Op voet gesit. En die gevaarman se aan 'n kat op 'n wagenplaat. Onmiddellik sien hy spasie en hy gaan vir dit. Goed word hy gevat deur die verdediging.
Yeah, and now Namibia has an opportunity now. Pick up from the scrum half. He's looking. Not what you need now. He had to give it to his spot in the midfield. Box kick. He's looking for the option. But no. Operi. Beach one is fighting. Puts it on the left foot. Ball gathered there nicely from Boys. Oh, he doesn't get it, but he grabs it nicely there afterwards. He's the bounce. Waiting patiently for that bounce. Oh! Side step, see you later. And now he goes. Runs straight to the wall of defense. Easy Bangni. Ball comes out. Open side they go. Operi. Looking for the offload, but he sees no, it's not an option. Split from here. Let the ball do one pass. Keep everybody. Unfortunately, it's a forward pass. All the Namibia needs to do now is see that the ball goes out. When you kick for territory, let the ball bounce out all the way so that you can play from there. That is what they need to do. Don't force the play in your halfway.
Ja, op hierdie oomblik is hulle bietjie haastig met baie dinge. So bietjie rustig, bietjie meer kalmte in die kamp. Sal hulle baie goed doen. Laat Boys hy toe om so bietjie foute te maak. Dit het vir hulle goed gewerk. Hierdie wedstryd feitelik iets van die verlede. En nog so 8 minute speeltyd. Groot skram vanaf beide kante kom hy uit. Wow! Byna as hy man. Weg met 'n gesteelde bakkie vrugte.
Well executed kick there. Now it is time for them to capitalize on this one. What are they going to do with this? There is now an opportunity. And they have to capitalize. They have to stay in the fight. Keep to the game plan. Stick to the basics, the fundamentals. And let the ball do the work. It looks like it's going to be a driving ball. Nope. Ooh, there he goes. The big unit. That is what they need right now.
Outaniqua Parks uit sy nate. Die eerste 3 van Gimnasium. En dinge swaai onmiddellik aan hulle guns. 5 punte beteken dat hulle is gelyk op. Die 2 punte. Oh, what a one, what a kick. 2 punte is by.
And look at this replay from the line out. Ball comes out, the flanker shows and goes. He sees the space, and what a short pass. A burst through the defensive line. Hy skeer hulle. Maak mamma sy gordyne oop. En oor gaan hy vir die 3. Ball has been spilled there. And gathered there. Will that be a penalty? Yes, it is a penalty in favor of Namibia. En hier gaan ons. Tap in is game over. What a way to end off this match. Stay in the fight and you will reap the rewards of staying in the fight. What a match we had here on hand. First match of the day. Up next, we have JFA versus Brandweg. It's going to be a phenomenal one. It's a fantastic one. That game will kick off at 10:15. It will kick off at 10:15. Let's see what's going to happen in this next one. Will it be as exciting as the first?